am I making thousands of dollars a week trading cryptocurrencies? Sit tight because I will give you more information about trading than anyone has ever done in the next 1 minute. Here is some proof for all you non-believers. Now let's start with the basics. Bybit will be the broker we use to take trades, and TradingView the charting app we will use. When trading, I use a method called support and resistance. It's the most basic but most effective way of trading. So you might ask, how do I find a good support and resistance level? Let me show you. Start by finding a place where the price gets rejected multiple times. This can be a straight line or upward or downward sloping. Now also find a place where the price supports multiple times from. This can also be a straight line or upward or downward sloping. Now that we know how to find support and resistance levels, we now need to learn how to place a trade using a stop loss and take profit together with how you can find an entry price. What you are currently seeing on your screen is a long position. This can be placed on your charts to identify your risk-to-reward ratio together with your entry price, take profit, and stop loss. To find an entry, you need to decide if the given opportunity is a long or short trade. Do this by identifying if the price is trading into a support or resistance area. Once you've found the position you want to take, you need to place a stop loss, take profit, and entry price. Your entry price always needs to be at the second retest, just above the support or resistance line. Now place your stop loss just under the line in case the price breaks the structure, and place your take profit at the next area of support or resistance based on your position.
And now you know the basics of support and resistance.